Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for joining our presentation. Here I will to discuss about probability and random variable. Before that, I will introduce myself and my partner. We are from group 4. My name is Nur Aziza Syam and my partner is Sukma Ekayanti, Andi Sandi Saputra, Agus Sadli, Sulmawan, Irfan Rabiatul Hikmah, Aswira, Nur Fadila, and Risdayanti. Next, I, as the first presenter, will explain first about the probability. Probability. The probability formula is PA is NA divided by NS, which is the division of the number of sample space by the number of universe of event. In many situations, the outcome of an experiment varies from one trial to the next. For instance, a tossed coin will sometimes land on head. Sometimes tail, a major league pitcher may pitch to inning one game and inning another. One car battery may last 20 months, another may last 40 months. We say that the outcome of an experiment is random if the outcomes vary from one trial to another, but that in the long run, that is, after a large number of replication, there is a regular distribution of outcomes. Some outcomes occur frequently, such as arriving safely at your destination after a flight, where some even occur infrequently, such as winning the lottery. We use probability to measure how likely outcomes or even sets of outcomes are. An event that is almost sure to occur has a probability near 1. An event that will really occur has probability near 0. An event that is just likely to occur is not, such as getting ahead on one toss of a fair coin, will have a probability of a half.
My name is Sukma Kayanti. Here I will continue material about probability. Probability, if the event A is known the sample spaces S, the probability of the event A on S is PA is NA divided NS, M divided N. Then we can investigate the property of P quantity A. Number 2, 0 is less than PA is less than 1. A is a subset of S, then the number of members of A is always less than the number of members of S. Number 3, property 2A equal empty set, meaning that A does not occur in S, then NA equal 0. Number 4, A equal S, the maximum number of members of A is equal to the number of members of S, then NA equal NS equal N, so that PA is NA divided NS, N divided N equal 1. Number 5, if the result 1, 2, and 3 are combined, then the property 0, P quantity A, 1. PA equal 0, we say that A is an impossible event. PA equal 1, A is said to be a certain event. Number 6, compound events. If I and B occur randomly in the sample spaces, then the combination of events A and B is written A union B is the set of all sample points that exist in A or B in both. The event A union B is called a compound event. The event A intersection B, which is a collection of sample points that exist in A and B, is also called a compound event. The probability of a compound event is formulated as PA union B equal PA plus PB minus P quantity A intersection B. Number 7. Sample question. Draw one car at random from a complete set of bright cars. If I equal the event data S is selection and B equal the event data diamond is selection, calculate P quantity A union B. If a 5th semester electrical engineering student pass, the probability is 2/3 and the probability that he passed the microprocessor is 4/9. What is the probability that he will pass both courses?
8. Two events are mutually exclusive. A and B are said to be two mutually exclusive or contradictory or mutually exclusive events if the events A and B cannot occur simultaneously. P quantity A union B equals P quantity A plus P quantity B. 9. Sample questions. In the toss of two dice, find the probability that the two dice face a sum of 7 or 11. 10. Two events are complementary. Event A action, is a collection of sample points. Sample points that are sample points S but are not sample points A. P quantity A action equals 1 minus P quantity A. 11. Sample questions. In the toss of two dice, if A is the event that the face of the dice are the same, what is the probability that the face of the two dice are not the same? 12. Two independent events. Two events A and B in the sample space S are said to be independent if event A does not affect event B, and conversely event B does not affect event A. If A and B are two independent events, the following formula applies. P quantity A intersection B equals P quantity A times P quantity B. 13. Sample questions. In a toss of two dice, are the events that face X, X3, dice 1 and the events appear Y face 5, dice 2 are independent. 14. Conditional probability. The probability of the occurrence of event A and B is called the conditional probability. If an event A occurs, provided that event B occurs first or will occur or is known to occur. The events A is conditional B written A per B. P quantity A per B equals P quantity A intersection B per P quantity B. P quantity B is greater than 0. 15. Example questions. Suppose a die is thrown. B equals the occurrence of a pure square number, and it is known that the probability of getting an odd number equals 1/9, and the probability of getting an even number equals 2 per 9 if it is known that A equals 5, 4, 5, and 6 has occurred. Determine P quantity B per A.
From this statement, we can deduce the following. If A denotes the complement of even A, that is the set of all outcomes in the sample space S that are not in the even A, then P quantity A equals 1 mean P quantity A. To determine the formula for the probability of an event using a sample space, usually denoted by S, and even if A is an even or evens, then A is a member of the sample space set S. The probability of H happening is P quantity I equals N quantity A per N quantity S. Note N quantity I equals members of the event set A. N quantity S equals number of elements in the sample space set S.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sulmawan. Baik, langsung saja. Problem example. Two coins are to set together. Find the probability that about numbers differ. The sample is NS sama dengan 4. The number of sample points are about numbers NA sama dengan 1. So the probability that about numbers will appear is quarter. The probability that is will occur.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Irfan Rabiul Hikmah. Random variable, a rule that assigns a numerical value to the outcome of an experiment is called a random variable, yang artinya aturan yang memberikan nilai numerik untuk hasil percobaan disebut variabel acak. For example, our experiment might be to toss 3 fire coins. In this case, the sample space is the set HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. We call define the random variable X to be the number of heads on the 3 tosses. Artinya, misalnya eksperimen kita mungkin melempar 3 koin yang adil. Dalam hal ini, ruang sampelnya adalah himpunan HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Kita dapat mendefinisikan variabel acak X sebagai jumlah kepala pada 3 lemparan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aswira. The next presenters, probability density function. A probability density function for a random variable x that takes on value in the interval a, b is a function. 1. Fx is bigger or equal to 0. Number 2, integral a to b, where fx is determinant x equal to 1. P in parentheses a small is equal to x, small is equal to b, integral a to b, where fx is determinant x for all a point b. In parentheses a small is equal to b in the interval a point b.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fadilah. I have Prodi Teknik Informatika B, NIM 02104085. Baiklah, saya akan menjelaskan sedikit tentang tipe random variable dan example variable random. Tipe random variable. Random variable are grouped into two, namely 1. discrete random variable. Namely, random variable defined in a discrete sample space that can only undergo a finite number of different values, or as many as integers. 2. Continue random variable, which is a random variable different in a continuous sample that can undergo every value in an interval or infinitely. Example variable random. Discrete random variable. The story of a mother giving birth. We know that there are only two possible genders of this event, male or female. If the probability of H giving birth to L and P is 1/4, then we can construct the sample space of this event as follows. For one child S together with LP, for two kids S together with LL, LP, PL, and PP.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Resdayanti from Informatic Engineering Study Program. Baiklah, pada kesempatan ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang cara menyelesaikan suatu masalah atau contoh soal mengenai variable random continue. Example, given a continuous random variable x, write the function fx sama dengan 2/27 x ditambah 1, taking the value of x between 2 and 4. The probability value for X kurang dari 2,5. Jadi, dalam soal tersebut diketahui fx sama dengan 2/27 x ditambah 1 untuk 2 kurang dari x dan x kurang dari 4. Dan yang ditanyakan yaitu berapa nilai peluang dari x kurang dari 2,5. Answer. Karena batas bawah dari fx adalah 2, maka diperoleh peluang X kurang dari 2,5 sama dengan peluang 2 kurang dari X dan X kurang dari 2,5. Peluang X kurang dari 2,5 sama dengan integral dari 2 sampai 2,5 2/27 X ditambah 1 dx. Kemudian peluang X kurang dari 2,5 sama dengan 2/27 X pangkat 2/2 ditambah X batas 2 sampai 2,5. Setelah itu, peluang X kurang dari 2,5 sama dengan 2/27 X pangkat 2 ditambah 2X per 2 batas 2 sampai 2,5. Peluang X kurang dari 2,5 sama dengan 2x kuadrat ditambah 2x per 27 batas 2 sampai 2,5. Kemudian x diganti dengan batas atas dikurang batas bawah sehingga diperoleh 2,5 pangkat 2 ditambah 2 kali 2,5 per 27 dikurang 2 pangkat 2 ditambah 2 dikali 2 per 27. Setelah itu, kita selesaikan sehingga diperoleh 6,25 ditambah 5 per 27 dikurang 4 ditambah 4 per 27. Karena 6,25 ditambah 5 sama dengan 11,25 per 27. Dikurang 4 ditambah 4 sama dengan 8. Jadi 8 per 27. Karena penyebut sama, maka langsung dikurangkan sehingga jadi 11,25 dikurang 8 sama dengan 3,25 per 27. Karena di sini bilangan desimal, maka kita bulatkan dengan cara dikalikan dengan 100 sehingga didapat 325 per 2700. Kemudian kita bulatkan menjadi 13 per 108. Jadi, nilai peluang untuk X kurang dari 25 adalah 13/108. That's all my explanation. I hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.